Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a component you've probably seen 1,000 times, but maybe never thought much about. That little curly tube connected to a pressure gauge. It's called a siphon pipe, or sometimes a pigtail siphon, and trust me, it's not just for looks. This small piece of hardware plays a massive role in protecting your expensive equipment. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why it's so critical. So, what's the big deal with a siphon pipe? Imagine you're measuring the pressure of a hot fluid, like steam or a high-temperature oil. If that scorching hot medium comes into direct contact with the delicate internal parts of your pressure gauge, like the Borden tube, it's going to be a very bad day. High temperatures can cause the metal inside the gauge to expand, anneal, or even rupture, leading to inaccurate readings at best and complete failure at worst. This is where our hero, the siphon pipe, steps in. The clever design of the siphon, that characteristic loop or pigtail, is its secret weapon. When the system starts up, hot steam or fluid enters the pipe, but as it travels through the loop, it begins to cool and condense. This forms a small pocket of cooler liquid, often just condensed water, that gets trapped in the bend. This trapped condensate then acts as a protective barrier, a buffer zone, preventing the high-temperature medium from ever reaching the gauge itself. The pressure is still transmitted perfectly through this liquid seal, but the damaging heat is effectively blocked. It's a beautifully simple and effective solution to a very common problem. Now you might be thinking, what about pressure surges? That's another area where the siphon shines. Sudden spikes in pressure, known as water hammer or pressure pulsations, can be just as damaging as high temperatures. These sharp jolts can shock the gauge's internal mechanism, causing the needle to flutter wildly and eventually leading to premature wear and failure. The siphon pipe, with its coiled design, helps to dampen these pulsations. It acts like a shock absorber, smoothing out the pressure spikes before they hit the gauge, ensuring a more stable and accurate reading while extending the gauge's operational life significantly. So when should you absolutely use a siphon? The rule of thumb is pretty clear. If you remeasuring the pressure of any condensable vapor like steam, or any fluid with a temperature above 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, a siphon isn't just recommended, it's essential. It's a small investment that protects a much more expensive and critical component, not to mention preventing potential downtime and safety hazards. By installing a simple siphon pipe, you're ensuring the longevity, reliability, and accuracy of your entire pressure measurement system. And there you have it. The humble siphon pipe, a small but mighty guardian for your pressure gauges. It's a perfect example of elegant engineering that saves you money and headaches in the long run. If you found this explanation helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the components that make our world work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.